let's have some fun.
I don't need it. It's floor day. Really does just make the room feel bigger. Oh, that color is just, there's a little bit of like that gray blue in it. I personally love.
Oh man.
It smells so much better in here. I like the acoustics. Put some trim and some baseboards.
Get this finished.
Oh yeah, shower, toilets, water.
Oh, it's like dark. Like.
I ate my cookies.
Left just in case there was allergic.
All ready? Gorgeous. Oh. That's a bit higher than we said, but maybe not.
I probably went to the wrong one. Watch me. No. Yeah, I did. Oh well.
I knew it because the hole was perfectly lined up to you when you were lining it up, and then I just looked at it and it's your belly button.
Yeah, oh well. It'll be alright. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Push it to me.
Should I invite my grandparents over on Saturday or something?
Yeah, if you want. I don't want them to come down to work. Didn't have to do that last part. Just for you. Yeah. I don't know why I got that stupid shit stuck in my head.
She's amazing. Okay, so my grandparents are coming today to see the house. We're gonna have Chinese food. Hi, Willie.
Hello.
I'm so excited. I love your house.
Thank you.
Yep, it's ready to go. Oh, it is a knife. And a swing blade. Yeah, what does that say? Fresh.
Fresh
10-cent.
a quart.
Hi, how are you today? Today, we're doing a little bit of drywall hanging. So let's have some fun. Come on, fit in the hole. Please be the right. Right. Come on. I got the heights right. Got the heights right. Got the width right. Gotta trim. Get that all right. Little trim there. Little trim all the way across there. Well, I'm back with the piece. I just went, cut it out there in the cold, a little bit of snow today. So we're gonna try this out, see if it fits. Make sure you ain't gotta trim it. Oh yeah, here, let's bump you up just a little bit. That way you can see what I'm doing. Here we go. Here we go. Test run. Oh fuck. Should try this way first. Don't tell me. Don't tell me I didn't measure right. Well, look at that. Just as I thought. Measure once, cut 3 times. Okay. I'll be back again here in a minute. Here we go. Double down, test it again.
Here's my issue.
What's your issue?
Everything that is in the garage,
It's in the garage.
I could probably go without ever seeing again in my entire life. Like, we've been living without this stuff for so long. I no longer need it. I don't need it. The garage is locked, which only tells me one thing. I don't even need to get started in there yet.
Got another piece here for you. Let's see if it fits. Oh, please, Mike. Please fit. Oh, it sits up there. Let's see if it slides in. It's sliding. It's going. It's going. It's gone. Oh yeah, it's gone. Oh yeah, I got a big old gap right there. I have to blow it in there. Whoa. Messed up.
You messed up? Surprise.
What's that supposed to mean?
Kidding. What'd you do?
This doesn't fit in there now. It's a 1/2 inch too wide. But I still might be able to
Mount it on the side.
we could do some kind of hinge.
It's happening!